I'm going to go through example 2 a little bit quicker since you guys have seen it once. First thing, remember you've got to make sure that your variable terms are falling in the right order. So notice we've got our x terms first, y terms second, and then our z terms third. Okay, so we are good on that and we're ready to start making these matrices, or matrices, sorry. Okay, so our first equation, coefficient of x is 4, y is -2, coefficient of z is 3. Second equation, okay, we know we can put a 1 there, so we've got 1, 3, -4. Third equation, 3, 1, and 2. Okay, to set up this first equation, times the matrix, so our variable terms in the correct order, they come in the order x, y, and z. Those are equal to 1, -7, and 5. So 1, -7, and 5. Okay, so in order to solve this in our calculator, so using some tech, remember I've got the inverse of this original matrix. So I've got 4, 1, 3, -2, 3, 1, 3, -4, and 2. Inverse of that times, okay, this last matrix over here, so what our equations were equal to. So 1, -7, and 5, right? So the inverse of the original matrix multiplied by what our equations were equal to, that's going to give us x, y, and z in that order. Okay, so I've got this set up. I'm ready for my calculator now. So menu, down to number 7. I'm creating a matrix. This first one is 3 by 3. And now I'm good to start typing these in. So I've got 4, -2, 3, 1, 3, -4, 3, 1, and 2. Okay, so the inverse of that, so make sure that you scroll out of the matrix, okay, by pressing the right arrow. Press my up button, type in the -1, so I've got the inverse of it. Go to the right to get out of the exponent box, so times another matrix. This matrix is 1, 2, 3 rows and 1 column. And I've got 1, -7, and 5. Okay, and that gives us our x values, or our x, y, and z. So we've got x is -1, our y is 2, and our z is 3. So our tripled ordered pair is -1, 2, and 3. Okay, first example, 2, -1, 1. Last example, -2, 2, and 3. Remember, you've got to know both representations. I'm expecting to see this representation as well as this representation for each of the problems today.